Did you get stuck in the conversation? Did you like when you when you are speaking with other people, suddenly you stop, you don't know how to say, hi, this is Jibril from Mali, West Africa. In today's video, we're going to talk about something happened to many students, many learners around the world at the first time or at the beginning, intermediate levels. They get stuck, they stop during the conversation. They don't know, their brain got blank, etc. They don't know how to see. If this happened to you, this is a technique you can do it while you are in the conversation with other people. If you get stuck or you don't know, you want to say something but you don't know the vocabulary, the exact word to use, just explain, simplify, clarify. Don't focus on the word, expression, or vocabularies you want to say, but try to explain in with other words that gonna help you to improve your conversation or improve your speaking also. Because while you are focusing on the vocabulary, if you don't know, if you can't remember, or if this vocabulary is gonna be the cause you are gonna stop the conversation, that's not the English conversation. The objective is not like that. The objective is to let the conversation flow, to let the conversation go, to continue speak back and forth, give and take. You say something, the other person reply, you say reply, back and forth, give and take, etc. Simplify, use some simple words, try to explain with another words and expression. You are gonna resolve the problem.